I'm gonna take and put this Gator in the shop here at the farm and let the thing thaw out a little bit before I do while I do chores. You can see it's all iced up. And let it thaw out a little bit. That was all from going through the snow this morning and stuff. Making my own way in before Dad come through with the plow, and yeah, I mean, look at that. That's all up underneath there and everything. I'm gonna see what's in the garage here and if I can pull the thing in. There. Got the thing all in here in the shop. Put it right next to the drain, so that hopefully all the snow and that'll run towards it. Picked the bed up a little bit so the snow would run out. Maybe I'll turn the heat up a little bit, I don't know. Get some heat going in here. It's thawing out nicely. So I was doing some investigating, and I'm not a fan, really, of these backup alarms. They're nice if you're not working in the crap and all that, and the snow and the mud and the slush and everything. These are more for like a box truck kind. You can see how there's really no way to take that screen off and clean the inside. There's just no way of doing that. That's why I like the speaker alarms. I'll throw a picture in of what they look like. They got the speaker facing backwards, going with the vehicle instead of coming out behind it. Those they're waterproof. You can sit there and wash them things all day long and they won't break. Yeah, I'm gonna let this thing in here and thaw out, because if that freezes, that'll break that shock. I know from experience, when stuff ices up, it's a real pain in the butt to deal with, and I don't want that. I don't want more headaches than what I already have. Yeah. People say, oh, you live at home, rent free. Yeah, but I still got costs and stuff. I got costs for this thing. I don't want to dump any more money in it. That's why I've got the mindset for 2021 that I'm going to take better care of it, not beat the ever-loving crap out of it. I know I've gotten hot-headed before, but I'm going to try and hopefully not do that this year. Try and take a little more gentle on stuff. Just stuff like that. So we're gonna let this thing drip in here for maybe an hour, half hour or so, and when we go home, we'll try and stay out of the deep snow with it. The cows are happy. Or no, wait a minute. Yeah, they're happy. They're eating the hay. Hope we don't have to put hay out tomorrow. And I gotta run around 4-wheel drive because the tires are getting bald on this thing on the rear end. And I guess I could take it out for the minute. But with these, you gotta back up to get it out of 4-wheel drive. You always have to, which I don't understand why that is. This is a deer thing or something. Something looks awfully close. There. But no cattle waters froze, no pig waters froze or anything like that. So I guess we can head home and enjoy the rest of our Christmas Day evening.